following tutorial will basically give you an overview of the printing capabilities within the Desire to Learn learning management system. Right now we're taking a look at the course content environment. So whenever I go into a course and I click on content, you'll notice at the very top that there is a overview course syllabus, and a lot of things depend upon the browser that you're using, the operating system you're using, and then finally the file type that the instructor might have uploaded into the course that you're taking a look at. The current syllabus that I'm taking a look at right now was developed in an HTML, and the way I know that is that if I scroll down, this is an HTML, it's ready to be printed, but if I scroll on down to the bottom, you'll notice that I have another document, and this is actually a Word document, that is opening up in a separate window. Now the reason I'm pointing this out is that if this instructor has used an HTML document, it's very easy to simply come over here and say print, and that you'll notice that there is actually a window that comes up and will tell me that I have pages that I can print. If I were using the one below and I wanted to print, I probably would only receive the first page, and so a couple of different ways that we can get around that. One would be we would probably come over here and do a download, and when we do the download process, it's actually going to want to save the Word document onto your desktop, or go ahead and open it within the Word processing software. Other types of documents or files that you might run into, if I come over here, I'm just going to give you some demonstration. First one, of course, is the Word document. So when I click on that, you'll notice that I do not really have a print option, and if I did print this page, I'd only get a screen capture of this very front page, so I'd have to go in here and do the download process. Another file type that you may encounter might be a PDF file. So when I click on the PDF document, notice how I have yet another type of screen interface. PDF files give me the ability right here to come over and print. And what I'll notice here is that I actually have the ability to go ahead and print them multiple pages. So PDFs do have the print capability here. Other types of documents, like I talked about earlier, might be in HTML. And here, notice that if I did print the page, I would have all of the pages that would print that I can work with. And I have the print button down at the bottom. Other types of files you could encounter might include, if I go back over here and take a look, I can have PowerPoint files. And so when I open those up, you'll notice that I have the same thing as the Word document, in that I probably will need to download this file onto my desktop and then do a printing there, because the current page that I would print would just be the first file within that particular list of pages that I would be viewing. Other types of ones that you might also encounter might be Excel files, or actually image files that, depending upon what you're looking at, you may need to download that and use the application to go ahead and print those out. But just kind of an overview, the printing capabilities really depend upon what the instructor has used to provide you with that information. If it's an HTML page, the printing would not be a problem. If it's a Word document and you're asked to save it, you may want to go ahead and download that and print it out that way. If it's a PDF, you will see that there are separate types of windows that would open up and actually allow you to print it that way. So you have a number of different things that are based upon what the instructor might be providing you as a way to print in D2L.